Math Forum, I felt a sense of community with how the online workshops were set up. And there were so many elements for me to become involved with, and there was so much support. If there's a question, you sort of contact one of them either through Dr. Math or through a moderator or a facilitator of the program, and there's answers there for you.
I've used Problems of the Week for many years, but it wasn't until I took the professional development course implementing the Problem of the Week strategies that I learned of all the tools in the course that the Math Forum has to offer.
And over the course of 6 weeks, which is what these workshops are, you really do get to know and meet other people. The fact that you're online and it's asynchronous, the other person can read it, can think about it. If they want to, they can actually do some research about it. And then they can compose their response. And they can read the response again before they post it.
A lot of students come back really excited that they did it the first time and got it right. And others you kind of have to coax, but it's really, really improved my problem-solving strategies in the classroom. The kids have learned all kinds of new strategies to tackle problems.
I used to have students that would say, I don't get this, what am I supposed to do? And now with some good questioning techniques, I find that they actually can relate to problems that they've had before. And so it's really been able to make my students into problem solvers, which is what we want them to do. We want them to be able to think.
So what this did for me as a teacher is it made me much more aware of how to handle students when they run into a situation or they lose their confidence because they've missed questions. And I now know how to try to bring them back and how to help them learn some perseverance in problem solving, which is a very important skill.
My good students have moved from feeling like they didn't know what to do with a word problem to not only knowing how to solve any of them or rethink them when they couldn't solve, but also their communication skills. They can write about the math, they can communicate, and they can't wait for the next problem of the day. I hear them constantly asking, when's the next one? Have we solved it yet? Can we talk about it? And their enthusiasm and their confidence has just stunned me.